Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of September, September the 18th 2021. Saturday, September the 18th 2021. We have one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, but there are actually two, because we have here also a quintuplet, 5 Sudokus merged into a whole big Sudoku. And I've told you this quintuplet, I won't do them anymore, because it will take me more than an hour to solve and it's time consuming, but I will post the link here below if you want to try this quintuplet. So there are two regular Sudokus, one is the medium Sudoku and the other one is the quintuplet. But there is also in this newspaper, in the daily newspaper, an additional with 6 extra Sudokus: letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. And those are puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra Sudokus, and I won't do them all today. Only 3 of them I will do this today, and tomorrow on Sunday the rest of the puzzle. But first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3411. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If we compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. You see here, the middle column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is the number 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 4 should be not in this box, because in this big square we have already a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 and the 9 are missing. 8 and the 9. Okay. 8 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But we have a 4 in this column. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright. 4 in this row. 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4, I see. I need to wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. We see an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. We see here 1, the 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So on the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. You see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 and the 9, 8 and the 9. We have an 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers. 4 I have here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 are missing. Yes, 4 and the 9. Okay, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 1 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. Okay. Then 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the 9 are missing. 8 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. How about these 3 missing numbers? The 1 is missing. 2. The 3 is missing. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. Let me mark those. 1, 3, 8. That means the other 2 numbers in this column are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 7. Okay. And now we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square here. We have the 4, the first pair, the 4 and the 9. So the other pair in this big square, the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8. Yeah, the 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2, okay. 8, 8. We have an 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. 8, 8. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9. And look, we have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. Okay, 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. There 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column. 9. Oh, well, I cannot continue with the 9. I need to wait. I need to wait. Let me see. How about yeah. 5 in this row. 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third column. 5 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And I cannot continue with the 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left. Oh, let me do those 2 numbers. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. 6 and the 7. Let me mark those. 6 and the 7. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 4. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Then 1, 3, 8, 3, 8. 2 numbers left in the 3rd row. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, the 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this column. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 4 in this column. 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Okay. Alright. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 7. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number. Yeah, 1. 1 is missing. All right. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5 in the last 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Correct. Faster than 50 minutes. And I like this Sudoku Medium. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. You can also download the PDF file of the Quintuplet. If you like to solve, just go and follow the link. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload the new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the medium Sudoku, for the light, for the heavy, for the quintuplet. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku. Playlist for the letter, for the binary, for the tectonic, all kind of binary all kind of playlists I have. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. I will continue later on with the other 3 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.